want to schedule your email in Gmail, you just hit the right video. Scheduling email is an exciting and very handy feature in Gmail in which you can send and schedule email to your boss, friend or colleague to your own specific date, time or month. And it can be done in your mobile phone and laptop or desktop as well. So let's begin.
First of all, go to this compose button. Type in the email address which is necessary for scheduling email. I am sending it to my friend, so I am typing his email address. Insert the subject. I have saved the subject in the notepad to save mutual time, so I'll just copy and paste here. Then the body of the email, I'll copy and paste it here. Now my email is ready for scheduling. Here you can see a send button. Along with that you will see a drop down arrow. Just click there and you can see an option of schedule send with this button. Here I have couple of predefined dates and times which I can select, but I want to select my own date and time, so I'll click here. I want to send it on 19th of August at 2 a.m. so I'll edit it. Now my email will be sent on August 19 at 2 a.m. so I'll press this button of schedule sent. Now my email has been scheduled, but later on if you think that you have done any mistake or you want to do some changes in that email, you can go to this schedule tab. This is that email. Click here, and then if you want to do some changes, you have to press this cancel send button. When you will press this button, this email will go to the drafts tab and it will appear here. Here I can make the changes. Now to schedule this email, you have to repeat the procedure which I've just told you by doing this. One more exciting thing which I want to tell you here, that if your phone or your computer or laptop is not connected to internet on that specific date and time which you have just selected, you do not need to worry, because your email will send on that very date and time even your phone or laptop is not connected to internet, because this email has been saved into the Gmail server. Isn't it good? So if you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, do type in the comment section and I will try to answer it as soon as possible. Thank you so much.